Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 14th January 2022. So, let us see the performance of our indicator. What happened yesterday and previous days. Last 2 days, I did not release the video due to some personal work. So, today I will cover the previous day's performance also. Right. So, let us start quickly. And before I continue showing the performance of the previous days in live market, if you are not subscribed to our indicator, please subscribe. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon also, so that whatever the videos we are posting, you will get immediately notification. And secondly, if you are not subscribed to our Telegram channel, it is free only, lifetime free. You can join it and you will get all the updates whatever we are posting there. Okay, thank you all. So now coming back to our strategy. We all know about our strategy. It is very simple. There is nothing to feel difficult. You can trade very easily. Our concept is, once again, I will explain the concept once again if you have not understand. Right. I will take empty screen. Okay. I will take empty screen here. This is the empty screen. Otherwise, I will just hide the candle. Now coming back to this, I'm drawing one line with the black color. I'm drawing one more line with the black color. Drawing one more line here with the red color, and drawing one more line here with the another color, same red color. Taking some other color for explanation. Hope it is clear, right? So there are 4 lines. What it indicates, in a price action terminology, we can say this is the supply zone and this is the demand zone. What is supply and what is demand? If there is more supply available in the market for a particular product, then it seems to be the price of the product will go down. The price of the product will go down. Suppose say last year, due to lockdown, the petrol, most of the people did not consume the petrol. So the crude oil was, the supply was more, but for usage there was no people. The people who are supposed to use the petrol, crude oil product, they did not use it. So the demand was not there. Demand wasn't there, but supply was there. Supply was there. So this one is the demand zone and this one is the supply zone. So there were more supply, but there was less demand. In such cases, what will happen? The price of the product will continuously fall. So that is why the business people, what they will do, they will increase the demand. They will increase the demand. So you can watch many movies also. So in that movie also, they will explain about the supply and demand concept. Right? One movie, Jayam Ravi movie also. So okay, he will be acting as agriculturing product. Then the villain of the film, he will purchase all the bottles, like all the products he will purchase, like tomato, potato, everything he will purchase, and he will destroy it. He will destroy it so that next time when the people are ready to buy that product, they will not cultivate immediately. It will take more time, and between that time they will forget about that product, and these corporate people will sell the product. So that was the concept. So they are artificially they are making the demand. Okay, this is one concept. Please understand, this is demand and this is supply. Once again, repeat. Demand means when the people are ready to buy the same product more, or more people are ready to buy the same product, then there is a demand. When the people are not ready to buy the products, then there is no demand. Okay. When the demand increases, the supply also should be there. For example, nowadays, what is the trending one? Mask, right? Mask is the trending product now. Why many companies are manufacturing the mask? Because the demand is more. Government is putting the law that without mask you should not come out. So if you come out, they will fine you 200 rupees. Otherwise, you have to wear only 5 rupees mask. So instead of wasting 200 rupees and spending for hospital, they will spend only 5 rupees and they will save their 200 rupees fine as well as their health. So now the demand increased due to the situation, which means what? There is more demand, so the price of the product will increase. Some 2 years before or 3 years before, nobody wanted the product called mask. Yet the supply was there. But there was no advertisement. There is no compulsion. The price is not hiked like what we are facing nowadays. Initially, when the first lockdown came, when the first wave of corona came, the mask price was 190 rupees minimum, 190 to 200 rupees minimum. So later on, when the supply increases, the price drastically reduced. So it happened. So if you understand this supply and zone concept, then you can trade easily. So this is the basic of price action. This is the basics of price action. Okay, coming back to our strategy. Then what is our next strategy? Where I can delete, everything is deleted. Okay, 1 second, I will come and draw this. I will take black color and one more black color and one more line, horizontal line, one more line, and here one line, here one line, and here one line. What these colors are representing now, as I have already informed in the previous videos, once again I will say. So this one is the supply zone, or we can say sell zone. Okay, so this one is the supply zone or sell zone. And next one, this one is demand zone or buy zone. So I will make it green because demand means it is a better, no, it is a benefit for the product. So in our strategy, if you are applying the price action, then you can use these two line as the one zone. These two line as the one zone. Otherwise, what you can do, simply consider the label. I will make this also as another color. I will make this as the green because it is the target. I will make this also green because it is the target. Okay, now market will open either above this line or below this line, or above this supply zone or below this supply zone, or exactly somewhere here. Only three things will happen: either gap up or gap down or neutral. It will open. In such cases, where the market has to go, again it will be flat, it will be trading on the same line, or it will go upside, or it will come downside. What's our strategy? If market comes to upside, then it is coming and hitting our supply zone. Supply means sellers. Okay, so now exactly here we have to sell, where you have to do exactly the down line, the first top bottom line. So this first line, this is second line. In between there is one more line also that I have drawn. In 3.0 I have given the option. Here also this is bottom first line, this is bottom second line, in between there is a midline. What it means, market will come and touch here, then it will fall. Similarly, it will come down, it will touch here, then it will rise. It will fall, it will rise. If it is coming down, it will come and touch the midpoint, then it will come up. Then it will touch here, then it will fall. Then it will touch here. Here, if it is closing below this zone and low of that candle is broken, then you can expect the further fall. Even sometime or most of the time, if it is touching the second line also, then it will reverse to midpoint, then it will come down. Then if it is not breaking the lower point, then it will touch here, then it will go up, go here. Either it will go and touch the midpoint, it will fall down, or it will go up, it will break. Sometime it will fall down without closing above this line, then it will come, it will go up, then it will give the other side target also. So this is the basics of price action, so that we can easily identify just by looking at the candle. Now what we are going to do, our strategy says, when the market comes to this side, okay, here you have to sell this line as the stop loss simply. Okay, you don't have to analyze anything. Clear? When market comes to here, sell. This will be your target. When the market comes here first, buy. This will be your target. If SL hit, this will be your SL, right? If SL hit, then you have to go for the reversal entry for this target. So this is your target for the second sell, and this will be your target for the first second buy, and this will be your target for the first sell and first buy. So either it will come down, then it will reach here, or it will go there, or it will come down. That's all. Only if SL hit, we are going for the reversal entry. So as per the indicator and the strategy, if you are a small trader, trade only once per day. If buy activated, book the profit and come out of the market. If not target hit, then go for the reversal entry. Take minimum one lot, and we are advising two lot, okay, in the reverse order, so that you will recover the loss as well as you will book the profit. If both side SL hit, don't trade further. Save your capital. Tomorrow you can, next day you can trade. Don't keep trading on the same day with the mentality of recovering the loss. You will lose all your capital in your market. So you have to save you have to protect your capital. So that is important. So let us see what happened yesterday. Let us see what happened yesterday in crude oil. First I will show you with respect to crude oil. I am enabling the indicator with the default settings. I'm coming and resetting. For better understanding, I'm keeping in 1 minute time frame so that you will see the movement properly. Right? Now I'm enabling candle. So come here. So what happened yesterday? Let me show you. So yesterday, this is where market opened. So I told you, right, I will enable the midpoint also, where you have to go, come down. So in the MST pivot point 1, come here and select DBP. This is the bottom one, and enable this. See here, we got one midpoint. Then DTP, we got one top point. Where is DTP? This is DTP. Then we can also give the midpoint, that is DCP. I can give here. So now, as I said in the explanation just few minutes before, okay, now how it looks like, same thing, right? What I said here. So here I said this is the supply zone, this is the supply zone or sell zone. This is the supply zone or sell zone. I will change the color to red, and one more one. This is the demand zone or buy zone. So now as per our indicator, we expecting you to blindly trade. You are not applying any of the price action because you are the beginner. See here, this is the buy zone and this is the supply zone. So now what happened in the market? Market opened here. It was trading in the same line for few days, for a few minutes. Then it has come down, give one low, another low. Then it came down. It broken the previous swing low. Okay. Our entry is not activated. It went up. It is forming higher low, higher high. It has broken the previous high. Then it has given one more high. We missed the entry by 1 point. The maximum high made was 6116, but our entry was 6117. But we can consider that sell has been activated. We should not go for the buy that day because 3 points we are giving the buffer value. Then it has come down. Again, it has taken the support from the midpoint. Then it went up. And see here, the high made was 6155 something. 6122 was the high and our sell entry was 6117. So exactly our sell got activated. Sell got activated and your target has been hit. And your target has been hit. So you can keep this point as the target, or we have given the tiny SL, small SL, normal SL. So many options we have given, that also you can trade. So your target has been hit. Again it went down and exactly it has taken the support from our demand zone because there is a demand in the market now. So exactly it has taken the support. Again it has given the target. Then it came down. Low is not broken. High also not broken. See here, it is forming a clear buy trend. Higher high and higher low. Okay, clear buy trend. It went up. Again it reached our demand supply zone. Sell activated. Target done. It came down. Then buy zone, demand zone. It has taken the support. Once again went to first target. Then it came down. As I said, it will come and meet the midpoint. It has exactly came to meet the midpoint. Then it shooted up. See here. Again the high exact high made was 6117 only. Not even 1 point it went up. So again it has been resisted here. Then it has fallen. Then came down. This time it is above 3 points than our supply entry. From our supply entry demand is zone. So again it has taken support. It has given the target. It has resisted from the our midpoint. So now to make it very simple, what I have to tell you, if sell activated, enable the sell target, book the profit and exit from the market. If buy activated, book the profit and exit from the market. That's all. No extra trades for the small traders. If you're having a very good capital and if you want to take more risk and if you want to make continuous profit, if suppose you are losing, the loss will come only from the profit. So in such cases, then you can keep trading. Otherwise, if you know the market, it will be a range bound. That time you can do this kind of trades again and again. So yesterday we know. So if you see our Telegram channel, we kept giving the calls. Whenever it comes to 6117 sell, whenever it comes to 6063 buy, we kept telling it was happening as it was. So yesterday it was the very good day for the price action in crude oil. So it behaved very well with respect to our supply and demand zone. So always keep demand means there will be a buyers. Supply means there will be a seller. So that's all. So that's about today's video. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. Another thing, here we have given the targets. So when first buy enabled, when first buy is activated, you have to enable the first buy targets. See here, exactly it is matching in between these lines. exactly it is matching in between this line. So from bottom to top, 3 targets hit. From top to bottom, 3 targets hit. So, so this is about crude oil. Then what about the Bank Nifty? So that also I will show you. Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty yesterday, what happened? Okay, again, this is the, what is this? Supply zone, very good. And what is this? Demand zone, super. So demand zone is also called as buy zone. Sell zone, supply zone is also called as sell zone. Okay. So now market opened here, it came down. Then it has given one, where it has given one low. The low was our target. Then it has taken support. It went up. Then it was resisted from the third target. Then it fell down. Exactly our buy got activated. Exactly our buy got activated. Then it went up. First target hit. Then it came down again. First buy activated. First target hit. Reached the second target. Almost second target and 70% of the second target. Then came down to first target. Then 90% of the first second target hit. Okay, then it came down again. As I said, it has met the midpoint. Then first target hit. See here, exactly yesterday it was trading only on the our demand zone, only above the demand zone. So in the evening also it has taken the buy entry, it's taken support from the demand zone. It has given the first target. See how many times we are able to get the profit. How many times we are able to get the profit. The only thing is you have to practice this indicator again and again. If you are practicing this indicator again and again, you will get a continuous profit. And as I told you the previous day, what happened? Market opened here. Okay, it is not coming down to demand zone. It went to supply zone. Supply zone means it is the place where we have to sell. So exactly sell got activated here. Then all our targets, almost 2 3 targets done. This is the last line. This is the third target. So almost all the targets have been achieved. Okay, so this is the thing you have to follow. And the previous day, what happened? 2 days before, exactly buy activated. Okay, here buy activated and our stop loss was safe and it went up and almost 90% of the target has been hit. Almost 90% of the target has been hit, but we missed the target. It came down and it has hit the stop loss. But if we know the price action, we are not telling this is the end. So only if the candles are closing below this line, we have to consider to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and the low of that candle is broken, then only we have to go for the sell if we know the price action. If you don't know the price action, simply we are trading blindly, then you will be incurring loss, right? Suppose we will say sell activated here and this was our target, but target is not met. So that time our loss we have to book. Okay, but here if we say almost target hit, once we are in a 50% of profit, what we are telling, we have to revise the stop loss to cost. Don't forget. So many days we have got a very accurate profit. See this day what happened? Sell activated, all the targets hit. Again buy activated, all the targets hit. Here it is double the targets hit. Okay, 6 to 7 targets have been hit here. Here it is 4 to 5 targets have been hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. It is giving good accuracy. It is giving very good accuracy. And we are not SEBI registered, for your information. We are giving this for an educational purpose. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. And we have also explained one strategy, Bank Nifty 915 to 930 strategy. So that also you can use using this session time breakout option. Then in the same indicator we have given many option like this. So whichever you understand, you use it, otherwise just ignore. Everything we cannot explain. For each and everything we have to release one separate video because it is a very vast area. Then yesterday we added another one, volume candle. There will be one more one also. Yesterday I added here. Where it is only one indicator I have. This one, color candle I have added. Now what is the use of this color candle? What is the use of this color candle? This color candle, whenever the market is a sell trend, it will not change the color to green. Whenever market is in red bearish trend, it will not change the color to green. So that is the use of this color candle, and this color candle is useful in Bank Nifty also. So in Bank Nifty there will be no volume, so it is not based on the volume. So whenever you see this with another confirmation, you can trade. See here in the market morning, from here to here, there was no sell trend, only buy trend. Similarly, from here to here, there was no buy trend, but only one candle was formed here. Then afterwards, all the candles are red only. When you see the dark green indicates that it is more sellers are there. Sorry, dark red. When you see dark red, more sellers are there. When you see dark green, more buyers are there. The higher time frame, the more higher time you see, the more accuracy you will get. For example, I am making 1 day, okay, or 1 hour. I will start with 1 hour. See, in 1 hour, where we got the green candle. So here we started getting the green candle, and this was the very good confirmation because here we are having a very good dark green candle. So now you can mark the high of the candle and low of this candle. So simply how to be in a bullish trend. That's all. Very simple. Simply how to be in bullish trend, buy trend. So you see the profit from here. How much points we have got? From 35,588 to what is the latest high made? The latest high made was 38,851. So 3,300 points we have got profit in Bank Nifty. So now this additional we have added to our indicator. Similarly here sell trend started, mark this high, mark this low. See the fall. Immediately we got some profit. It went up, it has taken as resistance, came down, again resisted, again it has fallen from 37,061 to 34,000. So again this side 3,000 points. There will be loss also, okay, interim loss also there will be. So here buy trend started, mark this line, see the profit. So from 36,273 to 36,830, 500 points we have got the profit. What you can do, simply take option trade in monthly. So take monthly option buy call and be in the market. Similarly here sell activated, see the fall. So you can book a very good profit just by only one indicator. I mean only one tool. There will be some up and down. Okay, you should not be panic. So you should keep trading. See here also we got one entry, very good profit. And see here we got the entry. Here we got the entry, but the low is not broken. Low is not broken. Even if you are traded, then this different distance will be your loss. That's what I said. There will be loss also. There will be loss also, but loss will be lesser than profit. So you can use in 1 hour or you can use in 1 day also. So whichever you want, that you can use. So in 1 hour from this candle, when from 31st December, the bullish trend got over. So from 35,005 WA2 till now we are in a profit. Similarly here red candle started, we got the profit, small profit, but this candle is not closed below, and this candle is closed below. This stop loss is still safe, and we got very good rally. Here also very good rally, and from here also, what is the day? 24th August. From that day onwards, we should be in a buy trend only. So this also you can trade. Okay, and how we added this? We just removed 1 point from the uh, trend zone. In trend zone, there will be 3 lines. So now we have made it 2 lines. We removed 1 line. The midline we removed because there was no space. But we felt that this tool will be very useful for you. This colored candle will be very useful for you. So that is why I have removed this, and accordingly I have changed the formula so that it will fit inside the same indicator. So this is applicable in the 3.0 as well as in the 2.0 also. 2.0 also I have added this candle, right? Which candle? Color candles. Okay. That's all, dears. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please ask us. If you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe immediately. Don't delay. And at present we are giving for lifetime free at a very nominal fee. That fee you can easily recover in 1 or 2 days of trading, and we are giving you lifetime handhold. So you will get a lifetime support. You will be added to our Telegram premium group. You will be added to our WhatsApp broadcast group, and you will get extra calls also, so that you can recover all your previous loss. And if you want any further confirmation or information, please ask us in this number, and our number is 9500009154. You can call us on this number, you can WhatsApp us, you can ask any question. Okay, our executives will be happier to answer all your queries. Please note on this number 9500009154. Don't give your cash to anybody else other than this number. Okay, we are not responsible if you are giving. There are many fake people in the market available. They are using our name also, and they are selling it for 2000, 5000 rupees, whatever amount they are getting. They have made similar like indicator, but this accuracy will never get anywhere. Okay. uh, thank you all. If you want me to show other indicator also, that I can show, but it will take more time. Only one I will show you, because I will always watch this. What is this? Copper, nickel also I can show you. Any indicator randomly, any script I can show you randomly. There is no issue at all, right? See here how it has taken the support. So with this trend zone also you can trade. So whatever you have given the indicator, everything is independent. So you can trade with them independently. So what happened in copper? See copper, as I told you, this part is our demand zone. Where is this? This one is our demand zone. This one is our supply zone. So it came down to demand zone. It has taken support. It went up. So we got the profit here. Again it came down. Midpoint went up. Then again it went up. Here the candle is not closed above this line. Okay. Then it came down. Again it met the demand zone. We got the target. See here. So it was trading only in between our demand zone and supply zone. Okay, this concept telling only for you who knows price action. If you don't know price action, what you have to do? Simply one trade. Here buy activated, here target hit. That's all. Your trading over. Here will be your minimum first target. This will be your big target. Buy activated, target hit. Close the trade, close the laptop, go and do some other work. That's all. Okay. Hope it is clear. Thank you all for watching our video. For any doubts, please ask us on the given number. We will be very happy to help you. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead. And today we are starting another batch of advanced options trading. So whoever wants to join at 40% discount, last week we are given 50%. So this week we are giving 40% discount. Whoever wants to learn, please ask us. Please contact us. We will be giving the further details. Thank you all. Bye bye.